Welcome friends to our YouTube channel Interior Design Ideas. Friends, today I will discuss about the latest interior wall fashion of wallpapers. This new trends of wallpapers is simply marvelous when it brings the effect of botanical impression in your lovely home's wall. It looks like a dream. Yes, friends, it is change your mind. It is bring mental peace and satisfaction in your mind. Friends, the very popular interior design trends, botanical, which focuses on plant elements, is incredibly versatile. It involves real plants, pattern prints on wallpapers, rugs, and carpets, plant themed accessories, and natural color, and creates one thing fantastic green oasis of well-being. Today, we would like to introduce you to the botanical trends focusing on wallpapers. Come with us on a journey through the botanical wallpapers world and learn about all the possible nuances of these very contemporary trends of individual interior design concept. Green wallpapers can create a plethora of ambiances: tropical, exotic, sensual, cheerful, stimulating, or calming, and sometimes abstract. In addition, we will provide you with interesting information and tips on how to realize the botanical design ideas. Botanical refers to the technical term of botany, the study of plants. Botany studies include almost 3,080,000 plant species from all over the globe, some which might not even immediately be identifiable and as plants. This magical green universe offers a similarly rich choice to terms of wallpapers design. Flowers, shrubs, grasses, bushes, twigs, branches, tendrils, and leaves are all motifs fitting the premium quality designs wallpapers with a botany theme. Green in all its nuances and shades obviously has an important role to play in botany as well as in the botanical trends. But it is a by number means the only color matching the green lifestyle. Unique concept and themes can also be realized with soft, woody, and earthy uses of brown, lemon, and golden yellow, ash gray, fruity red, Caribbean turquoise, or just orange. The wallpaper's patterns range from concrete to abstract, from delicate to bold. And who says the botanical wallpapers can't be extravagant and luxurious? The best example is our beautiful grass wallpapers, Persephone. Why the botanical trend make us so happy? Green is the elixir of life. We all know that the plant improve the room climate and stimulate the mind whilst also having a calming sensual effect. Just imagine a day in the garden, the woods on a colorful mountain meadow. Village the eyes and gliding across the green splendor, the thoughts gently drift away in a daydream or a pleasant fantasy. Just seeing plants before our mind's eye will trigger association with a specific scene, that is the floral bouquet of a rose, various herbs like mint or parsley, or the tangy sweet smell of pine resin. The gentle rustling of leaves fills us with a sense of tranquility. The botanical trend appeals to all our senses and merges them in a wonderful way. The color green is also known for its calming and strengthening powers. It stands for a growth and energy. One particular character is in the constant regeneration of our natural world, a continuous process of creation and expiration. In spring, green appears everywhere. In summer, it presents itself in all its beautiful abundance. And autumn, it turns into a firework of colors. And in winter, it withdraws and rests, waiting to emerge again. When we think about the green as a color, it is a neutral in the sense of balancing. It is the color of life, of spring and plants, of renewal, hope, and immortality, endurance, tolerance, and contentment, and are all promoted. Green is also known to alleviate physical problems and create a cardiovascular balance. It stands for your youth and freshness. It is no consequences that the discovery of plants add on many anti-tuning cosmetics. Green bundles power and promote the regeneration. In many wet desert countries, green appears in the natural flag and as it stands for survival in barren desert landscape dotted with a few lush oases. Friends, there is a multicolor option in botanical wallpapers trend. One is called blue saloon. It describes a reception room in a private residence or hotel that people withdraw to in order to relax or have a convivial chat. But it is a lesser known fact that the color green used to be another favorite for saloons or elegant styles. So, friends, we'll discuss about wallpaper in our next episode also. It is a very interesting decoration for our lovely home. So, you choose your best color of wallpapers like we have discussed about botanical wallpapers. Choose your botanical wallpaper if you like. So, thanks. Thank you for the day. We'll meet again. Please subscribe our channel.